Hello, in front of me I've got STEELSERIES Dragon Lore. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this mouse. In the beginning, take a look at the original box. At the top of the original box we can find mouse preview. At this side we can find included items, sensor information, buttons, connection type, and other details. At the bottom of the box we can find weight info, battery life, true move air, and information how many clicks it withstand. At the bottom of the case we can find product number, serial number, and that's it. Now let's open the box. And here we've got the mouse. As we could read, it's ultra light with Dragon Lore skin printed on it. It has two side buttons, two main buttons, DPI switch button, roll button, and at the bottom we can find connection type switch and specification. Further in the box we can find user manual, charging cable, and transmitter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.